So I thought I'd be talking about the RC2 controller, because if you didn't know, guys, there's a bug on it. Now, these bugs don't happen to everybody. Now, most people probably won't even have this bug, but I know quite a lot of other people, let's put that one there, there's a bug on there. And what it is the screen record. Now, I use the screen record a hell of a lot, and I'm just going to show you this little video clip of me when I went out the other day with my Neo 2. Because the main problem that I was having, I wanted to fly over the sea, but with a full battery. So I put on the drone. Anyway, watch the video clip in a minute. Okay, now with all these things that I do, I always get a problem some reason. So what I'm doing at the moment, guys, I'm taking off the full battery that was only 98%, because when I turned on my RC2 controller to put on the screen save, it was saying insufficient resources or something. Otherwise, it wouldn't do a screen call. It's doing it at the moment. What I found was that when I scrolled down from the top here, now it doesn't always happen, but it always happens when you don't want it to happen. And it's when you press the screen record. Now mine's been doing this. Funny enough, I've just done one previous to this. I'll just show you that clip as well. And then you see at the bottom, record screen. So you just press that and it says, it just come up with it then. Okay, so that's going to be interesting, because I thought I had a way of resolving that problem, but obviously not. So what it's doing, it's coming up with insufficient resources. Whatever that means, I don't know. But it won't let you record. And you have to keep trying. And then eventually it will come on. So it's a bug. That's all it is. Now, not everybody's got this problem, but it'd be great to hear from you. I had a person there who said they got the same problem. And I've gone online to do a check, and it does seem to be this is the problem that's come up just recently about this. It's annoying for me, because when I try and do tests, I like to use a full battery, not hanging around for 3 or 4 minutes messing about. And all we got to keep doing, guys, is just keep pressing the button, and eventually it will record. But I went a bit drastic. What I'd done first, I thought, I know, I'll just format my SD card, and I also formatted my internal card inside, obviously, the RC2 controller, just to resolve the problem. Didn't do nothing. So I had to go for the drastic problem of doing a factory reset. Now, the problem with the factory reset, obviously it clears everything off there. One of the things it will clear is it will clear your maps. I'm not too sure about waypoints. I did try and do a waypoint thing the other day, and I noticed I had no waypoints. Now I've done, over the past year, I've done about 3 or 4 factory resets on this. I think personally, because this came out with the Mini 4 Pro back in September 2023, it's a really old controller now. We're talking nearly 3 years old now. And you've got to think the amount of drones we had from this one to where we are now is quite a lot. And I think what it's doing is just not coping with it. What's a little bit annoying, I did hear, I've got the Pro 2. There's on about working out a new Pro 3 controller, because I think one of the other problems of this controller, trying to get apps on here, because you can download other apps on here. It's not easy. Some people have done it. Now, I use a Mac. God, it's just, and I've given up trying to put apps on there. But I have heard that they're working on a free now, and it seems like in the pipeline they're going to bring out a new one of these. So obviously they've got some big drone coming later this year. I don't know what that's going to be, and then they're going to bring out a cheaper version of obviously the RC3 controller. Now they're talking about probably end of this year, going into 2027. It's just annoying that you have these little problems. So it'd be great to hear from you guys, especially the guys that use screen save like me. I use it all the time. One, obviously for tutorials, and 2, if something did go wrong, I know people could say you can use the internal thing to, I don't know, you can get a capture of the last part of the flight, can't you, apparently. But I just do a screen record. It's so much easier. Anything goes wrong, if the drone does get lost, I've got that as a backup. Yeah, so annoying. But it'd be great to know if you lot have got the same problem, because obviously the more of us complain about it, then DJI will... Apparently they do know about this problem, but I think the more of us complain about it, because they watch the videos, yeah, they'll sort the problem out. So there will be a new update soon, I would imagine. So I just thought we'd put it out there. As always, I hope you find that interesting. And yeah, I'll catch you on another video very soon.